Hello, guys, and welcome back to Small Talk Conversation on a favorite cricketer. So, let's get started. Hoy, who is your favorite cricketer and why? Well, that's an easy one. My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli. I love his aggression and consistency on the field. Well, he is a legend. What do you think makes him so successful? Well, I think his work ethics and dedication. He is always pushing himself to improve. Well, that's true. Do you have any favorite Virat Kohli moment? Yes, I have. His 83 against Pakistan at MCG in 2022 T20 World Cup. Unforgettable match. Wow, what a match. Do you play cricket yourself? Yes, I play cricket for my local club and it's a great way to stay active and have fun. Well, thanks for chatting, joining us next time. Take care.